morning class. Today question number 8 of exercise 7.1. Question is, in right triangle ABC, right angled at C. This is 90 degree. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. AB is hypotenuse M and M is its midpoint. C joined to M. C is joined to M. This C is joined to M such that and M produced to point D such that DM is equals to CM. This DM is equals to CM. Show that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. This is first part. Second part, DBC is 90 degree or right angle. Third is triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. And fourth is CM is equals to half AB. Let us start first part. We will be taking these two triangles. AMC, this is the triangle, and BMD, this is the triangle. Okay. So in triangle AMC and triangle BMD. Okay. In triangle AMC and triangle BMD, first of all, AM is equals to BM because M is midpoint of AB. Okay. Second, CM is equals to DM. This is given. And third thing, we can take these vertically opposite angles. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. These are vertically opposite angles. So triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. This is SAS congruence condition. Okay. First part is proved. Now second part, we have to prove DBC is 90 degree. Okay, this DBC means this angle on which I am making this red mark. Okay, we have to make this 90 degree. For this, you can see now these two triangles are congruent. So this angle 3 will be this angle 4. Okay, therefore angle 3 is equals to angle 4 by CPCT, and these are also on alternate position, but these are alternate angles also. But these are alternate angles. If these are alternate angles, therefore AC will be parallel to DB. These two lines will be parallel. Okay, you can see in the figure. If they are parallel, then angle C plus angle B. Therefore, angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. These are consecutive interior angles. Okay, and angle C is already 90 degree. So B will be 90 degree also. So B is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So we can say angle DBC is 90 degree. Now third part, we have to prove triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Okay, I'm just changing slide and making new figure. This is D, B, M, A, C. This angle is 90 and this is 90 we have proved. Now part 3. In triangle DBC and triangle ACB. I'm just making marks on the triangle so that you can identify the triangles. This is ACB. Okay. Now see this AC, or you can say DB is equals to AC. Why? Because we have proved AMC and BMD congruent. Since triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Okay. And second thing, angle B is equals to angle C. Each 90 we just proved now. And then BC is common in both the triangles. You can see this is common side. BC is equal to BC. This is common. Okay. So triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. This is by which congruence? SAS. Okay. So we can say triangle. Okay, these are congruent now. Now CM is equals to half AB. Fourth part. CM is equals to half AB. Now see DBC is congruent to ACB. It means DC is equals to AB. These are corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, since DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Okay, so DC can be written as CM plus DM. Okay, and we need to have CM only, so DM will be replaced. And you know, this CM is equal to DM. Earlier, it is given in the question CM plus CM AB, because CM is equals to DM. So twice of CM is equals to AB. So CM can be written as half of AB. So this is very important question and good question also. So just revise this once again. Thank you so much.